I will show you the future, Amanda Waller. You won't see it. This is a dialogue from one of my favorite animated series called Creature Commandos. Do you watch movies? Do you watch English movies with English subtitle? If you do, great. If you don't, go do that. It's really good. I mean, why should you watch English movie with English subtitles? When you watch English movie without helping Burmese subtitle only with English subtitle, all you do is try to understand what they are saying in a movie. You're learning English unconsciously. Your brain absorbs the vocabulary, the phrases, the talking style from that movie. Pretty cool, huh? You don't need to understand all of them at once. You just need to go with the flow and let yourself go. Just watch it. You will understand like 50% of the movie at the first try. And if you're not satisfied with that, you can watch it again. So the second time, you will understand more. Okay? And then you will find yourself enjoying doing that. And who knows, you will find your favorite dialogue, your favorite line from that movie, and you like to say that. You like saying that. So you keep saying that. And then you got that talking style. You got the accent. You got the pronunciation. You got the vocabulary. It's fun and is exciting to do. Okay? So don't watch English movies with Burmese subtitle. That's so boring. Okay? So try to challenge yourself to watch English movies with English subtitles. Okay? Go do that and let me know. How good is it? Hope this helps. Bye-bye.